Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 21-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just there. We also have the polar white exterior paintwork, the LED intelligent light system headlights, we have the Pan-America front grille with the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We have the side steps along the bottom, the chrome door handles, we have the black mirrors and trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll notice the pano glass roof just there. We also have the shark fin antennae, and this vehicle does have 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors. Coming around to the rear you'll find the dual exit exhaust. We also have the power assisted tailgate, which will open with a simple press of a button. Inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. As you can see, a very large boot. We have a storage net just on the right hand side, and we also have a 12-volt connectivity just there. Coming up here, if we press this button just here, you'll notice it closes just like so. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's take a look now at the interior. So inside of here you'll find the full leather interior. We have the grey stitching, foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO punch just down there as well. Over here you'll find the vents for the rear passengers. We also have another 12-volt connectivity just at the bottom. Storage nets behind the front seats. The brush mat handles on the doors along with the electric windows. Coming into the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory function, and they are also heated. There's a lock at them. As you can see, the memory function just there. We have the electric windows, try that for the rear, the electric power folding mirrors as well. Over here you'll find the engine start button. We also have the auto lights, a flat bottomed multifunctional electrically adjustable steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. We also have the stalk just down there for speed limiter and cruise control. Now if we take a seat inside, if we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, you'll notice the vehicle will start up for us, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we can switch between different views on the centre screen just here, just by using this side of the steering wheel. We also have all of these different options just here as well. But moving over into the centre console you'll find the main infotainment screen, which if it is flashing that is just a camera, it's not like that in reality, which has the likes of sat-nav. We also have the radio, so we have FM, DAB and AM radio just there. We also have a range of media such as the media interfaces. We also have the Bluetooth audio, we have the CD player, the memory card, we have the phone connectivity just here. If you press on that again, this is where you'll find the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. If you go into the vehicle settings, then this is where you'll find the ambient lighting just here, so you have 3 options to choose from. So you've got these 3 options just here. Now if we put the car into reverse, this is where you'll find the reversing cameras, the 360-degree cameras. So we can switch between different views just here, just like so, flick between all the different cameras. Let's put it back into park though. We also have the different drive modes, so we have the slippery drive mode, we also have the comfort drive mode, the sport drive mode, and also the individual drive mode. Just like so. So if we go further down you'll find all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We also have the 2 heated seat buttons, which work just as they should do. Further down you'll find the climate control with the ice cold air conditioning just there. We also have some storage space just down here, along with 2 good sized cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity that can be closed off like so. Here we have the touchpad for the infotainment screen. We also have a button here which if we press that, the vehicle is now rising with the air suspension. We also have the hill descent control button, the manual button. These are all the drive modes buttons. We have the nice leather armrest just here which can be opened up for extra storage. And inside of there you'll find 2 USB ports. But that is all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.